Okay guys, so this is my 4150 that I turboed, and some of you had asked for a little bit more detail about this, so I am going to do a little video here to show you. Sorry about the wind noise. I have an HX25 blower on some sort of a turbine. I'm not sure exactly who makes that. Yeah, it's a holset turbine. It was wastegated, but as you can see, I blocked that off. I run my intake pipe in here. It looks kind of cobbled, I know, but yeah, I just used the original elbow, come around here, brung a straight pipe back, and elbowed around into my blower. And then the compressed air goes down here, and I built, you can just see that red pipe down in there. It comes around and makes a turn there and goes back into the intake. For my oil drop tube out of the bottom, you can see there, it goes down, and in between the head and the manifold, and I'll show you where that ends up later. You can't really see it, but down in there, that's my old muffler mount, and I cut it off right at the end of the muffler. The end of the old muffler would have been right here where my finger's at. So basically, I just made a pipe that goes on out there under the turbo, on out under the turbo, and L's up underneath the compressor. And that is supported. You can see where I welded on here. It comes out here, makes the turn, and then I supported it down here on the old muffler support on the exhaust manifold. Now my oil feed line goes across the top here and down, and I'll walk down around the tractor and show you where that ties in. If I can find it. Right here. There are, right there. If you look here along this engine, there's one, and I think that one there too is an oil pressure supply. So I just backed one of those plugs out and adapted onto that, and that got me my oil feed for the turbo. And back to this side, I'd already mentioned where my oil drop tube dropped through the manifold down by, and I found there's sort of a frost plug there on the side. You can see that brass elbow goes in here, and I tapped that with a 3/4 inch pipe tap and just run that brass elbow in, and it just shoots right inside the block. My exhaust, I run it out here on the side of the loader arm. It goes in and up, and then as you seen earlier, it was elbowed into the turbo. But that's all, folks. I'm going to put the hood down here, take her for a little spin. I'll put on my Donaldson full view spin bowl dust separator. I don't know if you can hear, but the turbo is just barely spinning right now. I did back out the fuel spool a couple turns so I'd have enough fuel to spool my turbo up. But this thing has exceedingly more power than it used to have. And it's made the tractor much more useful. Anyhow, guys, that's all for my little video here. Y'all have a good day.